Shares of Academy Sports and Outdoors were lower today, despite reporting quarterly results that handily beat estimates. They improved profit margins, hiked guidance. They're announcing a $500 million share buyback. And sure enough, shares did turn higher. This started during the earnings call after the company said it believes tight supply might push customers to buy early for the holidays and at full price. The stock has more than doubled so far this year and has surged more than 200% since making its public debut last October. Joining me now is Academy Sports and Outdoor Chairman, President, and CEO Ken Hicks. Ken, it's good to have you back. So, first of all, how early are people going to be shopping for Christmas and shopping for outdoor gear? I'm just curious about the social phenomena you're sort of foreseeing here.
Well, people have continued buying things for fun, and that's what we sell. And I think we're going to see people out there a little earlier this holiday than in the past because they've all heard about some of the supply chain challenges, and we're fortunately in a good stock position. But you know, if you want something, you might want to get it a little earlier this year than in the past.
Well, I will say, while you're probably right, and I will probably be late and miss my chance to get anything, is it self-serving because you know people will be more likely to pay full price? Or if they have more time to shop, might they actually be doing more price comparisons, and those of us who are kind of down to the wire have to just take whatever we can get?
No, there are real challenges with what's going on in production and transportation overseas and in the United States and actually across the whole world. And so there are real shortages. The good news is, unlike last year where there were whole businesses where completely out of stock, things like bicycles or exercise equipment, stock is available. It's just not in the quantities that it has been in the past. And we're trying to get as much of it in as we can. We're in reasonable stock position now, but if what we think is going to happen this holiday happens, it probably will be some shortages and outages on some of the most desired items. So it's best to get them early.
I'd love to talk specifics if we can. What are some of the most desired items these days? And what happened to the great bicycle shortage? Is that now resolved?
It's still not the selection you'd like to have, but there are a lot of bicycles available. And there literally was a worldwide shortage of bicycles last year. But now we've got them. Hot items, exercise equipment is very hot. Things regarding camping. People are going outdoors and camping. We're seeing grills. One of the areas where there probably will be some shortages that's unexpected are in licensed apparel, because some of the jerseys, because last year there were no sports. This year there are sports and people are going to them, and people didn't produce as many as we might have been or might have in the past. And so if you want to get your favorite player's jersey, you should do that earlier in the season than later.